Hi, I'm Brian with Firewire. Today I want to talk about our surface mount safety light. If you've seen any of our other videos, you might recognize this as one of our rock lights. Because they're so durable, we decided to use the same housing and the same technology. However, we did change the circuit board and add a strobe controller. So this light is offered in multiple color combinations. We have amber white, red white, blue white, red amber, amber amber, red red, and blue blue. When used in conjunction with our override controller, this does have a steady burn function. Also included with the light is our strobe controller. It's single pattern, comes with a waterproof screw-on connection, connect your power and ground, and you're good to go. Let's go to Corey for a before and after.